Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to replace the batteries on your TEEHO Keypad Lock. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to go to the interior assembly. Okay, right here. And the next thing we want to do is to remove the battery cover. So here's the battery cover right here. So you want to slide the cover up. Okay, now take it off. Okay, so you can see this lock uses 4 AA batteries. All right, okay, so let's get the batteries out. Okay, so now you can get your new batteries in. Okay, so get your new batteries in and make sure you set them properly. Okay, so you're gonna hear a beep, meaning the lock has received power. Okay, so let's get the cover back. Right. Okay, so you can now operate your lock. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's how to replace the batteries on your TEEHO Keypad Lock. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.